Good afternoon, everybody. Fan Steve here once again. It is Saturday the 23rd. Today I am going to be doing a video of a relocation vlog. And as you can see, I am getting closer and closer to making my transition here. And I have all of my fans, well, some of them rounded up to where I can go ahead and get these packed up. And I've got some boxes here. I'm working on getting more boxes that I can pack all of my fans and my tools and whatnot with. I think first I'm going to start off with my tools here. And basically what I'll do is that I'll just get those all together. Basically, particularly from all of the screwdrivers and my wrenches and whatnot. I'm just going to put them in one big box. And plenty of bubble wrap, to where to nothing's going to get knocked around or busted, during the moving process. Got all my fans here, and I got my little Wizard Hassock fan here, and I've got my my table fans. These probably will be the first ones that'll be getting packed up and ready to go. And I already have this one boxed up. I've got my table fan here. There's my boombox in the back. Of course, that'll be going with me. Pretty much everything in here that you see, and I've got all my paint cans there in the back. I'm gonna be getting those packed up too. Pretty much everything in this building will be going with me. I just need to just go over the things that'll be getting left behind. I've got the two gas heaters there in the back. Gonna get some boxes that I'll be packing those with too, and I'll be making videos on those too. By the way, when I get to my new residence, I'm not exactly sure if that one will be going with me. That depends on if I'll find the big enough boxes, or if I'll have any room for it. I'm pretty sure that I would. So I guess most of my tools there, they'll just be getting packed up here in my bag and in my tub, and I'll find a box for the remaining ones that I can't fit into my bag. And I guess I'll just be using this box here. This is basically the one that my new Wizard came in. I guess I'll just put that back in there, and I'll get that really good and taped up. That's what that will be going in. And there's my other fans here, which is the Hassock and my Coolmaster and my other older box fans there. And there's my Lasco there in the back. Not exactly sure what I'll be doing with those. Those may be getting left behind. I'm still thinking about that. This is my storage room here. Basically some stuff that came out of the house that we basically cleaned out for more space. I guess I'll just go through some of this too and figure out which is which, and I'll be deciding on what will be going with me and what will be staying. There's an old fan blade there in the back. I mean, if anybody's interested, they can just they can hit me up, and maybe I'll have enough time to ship that out to them. If not, by the time I get ready to move, I guess that'll be going with me too. That may be used for something. I meant to sell that to Jordan U, but I got so busy and caught up with so many other things, and just never had the time to get to them with it. But if you're watching this video, Jordan, shoot me a message and tell me if you're still interested. Here's some old TVs, and there's a heater down there. That may be going with me. There's some books there. There's my old Hoover vacuum cleaner. This has been in the family for a long time, so of course that'll be going with me. Just gotta find some boxes, and I'll basically would just look at everything. If anything that's too big or too small, pack them in the right box with the correct packing material. So, well, there you go, everybody. I just thought that I would make a quick little video of my relocation vlog. These are all gonna be coming with me to my new residence, and hopefully, I mean, you know, I'm gonna really gonna be missing this building a lot because I've done a lot in here. This is where a lot of my material has taken place. This is where I've done some of my restorations, and but hopefully I'll be getting a building that's even much nicer, hopefully even bigger than this. So you'll basically will be seeing everything that's in here, but hopefully in a bigger and a much nicer building. So, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff packed here, and I'll be making a part 2 on this. I've got some more boxes and packing material on the way right now, and I've got a lot of work to do. I've got a lot of packing to do. I'm gonna try to get some of these fans cleaned up, getting all these tools rounded up, and put in some bags and some boxes. So, well, there you have it, everybody. Here is relocation vlog number 1. I hope that you've all enjoyed the video. Put in comments, like, subscribe, and that'll do it for now. Bye-bye.